Hello students, today we will learn second order derivative. Consider a differentiable function y is equal to f of x. Then d by dx of y is equal to f dash of x is the first order derivative of y with respect to x. It is also denoted by y dash or y1. If f dash of x is a differentiable function of x, then d by dx of dy by dx is denoted by d square y by dx square, or f double dash of x is called the second order derivative of y with respect to x. It is also denoted by y double dash or y2. That means when we differentiate y with respect to x, then we get f dash of x, and that f dash of x, when we again differentiate with respect to x, then we get f double dash of x. For example, find d square y by dx square. First one, y is equal to x square. Now it's very simple. We will differentiate this with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 2x. We know that we will use x raised to n formula. So n into x raised to n minus 1. So answer is 2x. Now this is first order derivative. Now to this function we will again differentiate with respect to x. So this will become d by dx of dy by dx, that is d square y by dx square, and derivative of this will be 2. So this will be our answer. Second, y is equal to x raised to minus 7. Now differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, by using the formula of x raised to n, we will get n into x raised to n minus 1. So minus 7 into x raised to minus 7 minus 1. That is minus 7 into x raised to minus 8. Now this is first order derivative. Again we will differentiate this with respect to x. So we will get d square y by dx square is equal to minus 7 as it is, and x to the power minus 8, we will apply x raised to n formula. So minus 8 into x raised to minus 8 minus 1, that is 7 8 ja 56, minus minus will become plus, and x raised to minus 9. This is the second order derivative of the given function. Third example, y is equal to e raised to 2x plus 1. Now this is in terms of e raised to x. So differentiating with respect to x, so we will get dy by dx is equal to e raised to 2x plus 1 into derivative of 2x plus 1. We know that whenever to any function we consider as x, we again find out derivative of that x. So as we read this as e raised to x, so derivative is e raised to x into derivative of that x term, which is 2x plus 1. So answer is e raised to 2x plus 1 into 2, because derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of 1 is 0, that is 2. So 2 into e raised to 2x plus 1. Now this is first order derivative. Differentiating with respect to x again. So d by dx of dy by dx, that is d square y by dx square, is equal to this 2 as it is. This will be e raised to 2x plus 1 into derivative of 2x plus 1. So in next step these two terms will be as it is, and derivative of this will be 2. So this together we can write as 4 into e raised to 2x plus 1. This is the second order derivative of the given function. Now next question, y is equal to 2 into x raised to 5 minus 4x cube minus 2 upon x square minus 9. Now differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into derivative of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4 minus 4 into derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 2. Now this 1 upon x square we will consider as x raised to minus 2. So derivative of that is minus 2 into x raised to minus 2 minus 1 minus derivative of 9 is 0. So after simplification we will get 10x raised to 4 minus 12x square. This minus minus will become plus 4x raised to minus 3. Now to this function we will again differentiate with respect to x. So d square y by dx square is equal to 10 as it is. Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube minus 12 as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x plus 4 as it is. Derivative of x raised to minus 3 is minus 3x raised to minus 3 minus 1. So after simplification we will get 40x cube minus 24x minus 12x raised to minus 4. Next, fifth question, y is equal to x cube into log x. Now here the function is given in terms of u into v, where value of u is x cube and value of v is log x. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, we will apply u into v rule formula, that is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So x cube derivative of log x plus log x derivative of x cube. So x cube into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of x cube is 3x square. Now here 1x gets cancelled. So x square plus log x into 3x square. To this term we can write as x square plus 3 into log x into x square. Now this is just the first order derivative of the given function. So again differentiating with respect to x, we will get dy by dx of dy by dx, that is d square y by dx square is equal to derivative of x square is 2x plus 3 constant that we will write outside into bracket. To these two terms again we will apply u into v rule formula, where value of u is log x and value of v is x square. So log x into derivative of x square plus x square into derivative of log x. So 2x plus this 3 as it is, in bracket log x into 2x plus x square into derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x. Now here 1x gets cancelled. So in bracket we will get log x into 2x plus x. Now to this bracket term we will multiply by this 3. So after simplification we will get 2x plus 6x into log x plus 3x. So this 2x plus 3x will become 5x plus 6x into log x. This is the second order derivative of the given function. Now we solve one more question here. Suppose parametric function is given to find second order derivative. So as x is equal to 280 square, y is equal to 480. So here parametric function t is present. So we will differentiate the x with respect to t. So we will get dx by dt is equal to 2a into 2t. 2a is constant. Derivative of t square with respect to t is 2t. So we will get 4at. Now we call this as equation number 1. And as y is equal to 480, differentiating with respect to t, we will get dy by dt is equal to 4a. And we know while solving the parametric function, as we require dy by dx, we divide equation 2 by equation 1. So after dividing, we get dy by dt upon dx by dt is equal to 4a upon 4at. So 4a gets cancelled. Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon t. Now this is just the first order derivative of the given function. Again differentiating with respect to x, here we will get d by dx of dy by dx. that is d square y by dx square is equal to derivative of 1 upon t with respect to x, so minus 1 upon t square into dt by dx. As we are differentiating with respect to x, here we need to write dt by dx, and as we already know that value of dx by dt is 480, so reciprocal of that will be 1 upon 480. So minus 1 upon t square into 1 upon 480. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 upon 480 cube. This is the second order derivative of the given parametric function. Thank you students. Be safe.